Yeah.
Same day on
Sure.
others.
What?
Yes, just you play the recordings. Just
Yeah. 1 second. I totally forgot. Let me find that recording. So it was on 16th, if I'm not wrong, right? Last meeting. Okay.
It was on 9th.
Yeah, today is 16.
Yeah.
अरे बिड़िया में क्या?
1 second, boys.
Previous meeting.
1 second.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh my goodness. How can I do it? Somehow some problem is there in this recording. What's wrong? It was 4. It was 4, 5, 16, right? Okay. Can you guys hear anything?
Nothing.
I don't know what's wrong with this recording. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes, we can
Yes,
hear you.
we can hear you.
Back to Nilesh. My bad. I was on a mute. Let me pull that out. Something is definitely wrong. What should I do? Give me 1 second, guys. I'm facing some trouble. Okay, let me take you all in call and then figure out what's wrong. All right. That's what
grammatical mistake because it was his
this
160.
is today's recording.
This is today's.
It's oh my goodness. It should be 5:10, right? Last week. Oh no, 5:09.
9/5/9 May.
Oh my goodness.
Nearby people started.
The second phase of my life. Family was quite broad-minded. Taj Mahal. In the last 3 years, what that drives my wonder. Hello everyone. My
Everybody, please.
name is Pallavi Dwivedi. The meaning of Pallavi is bud or new leaves, and it also reflects in my personality as I am always open to new learnings, new opportunities, and new adventures in my life. The desire to know and understand more is what that drives my wanderlust. To me, traveling is a spiritual experience. I travel because I can connect with nature. I have traveled around 15 states of India in the last 3 years. I travel because it helps me to get out of my comfort zone. All my apprehensions disappear when I travel. Now, I would like to discuss the various phases of my life starting from my childhood. I was born in Agra, a city in India which is famous for one of the 7 wonders of the world, Taj Mahal. I spent my entire childhood at my native place, Farrukhabad, Uttar Pradesh, with joint family, where I learned about togetherness, responsibilities, importance of family, sharing and caring. I was the only girl child among my siblings and cousins, so was quite pampered. Our family was quite broad-minded and educated, though we were living in a small town. My grandmother was a principal of a government girls' schools, and my father and my uncles were also teachers. So, hence the importance, education was considered important for us. I was good at athletics in my school and won several prizes too. After completing my schooling, I moved to a new city, Lucknow, to pursue my engineering degree in computer science. This was the second phase of my life. My college experience was both of maturing and learning. In college life, you meet different people, you get to know about the different cultures and background, and you grow as a person. You interact with people and you judge their behavior, which is an important life learning skills. I was a sincere student in the college and performed well in the academics. I played various sports, volunteered events, and made some good friends. And one of the best thing happened in my college is that I met my life partner. The next phase of my life is the professional phase. I started my career as a Java developer and I got interested in the language and also cleared the SCGP certification of Java programming. I learned interpersonal skills, relationship management with your boss and colleagues to work in a team in my professional career. I have also worked on one of the famous websites, Trivago.in. There were several ups and downs in my professional life. I have also worked as a faculty in a training center. Changing professions was quite challenging. At the same time, it was a great learning experience at which I excel. This phase made me more patient and mature person. What I have understood that life is unpredictable. Anything can happen. You have to be ready with your both arms open to welcome every opportunity. Right now, I can define myself as an optimistic, confident, and an ebullient person. Currently, I am pursuing my master's degree in computer science and engineering. And my career goal is to complete my master's and apply for a teacher assistant in a college. I would like to end my speech with a small quote that teaching is the only profession which invents all other professions. Thank you so much, everyone.
Oh, well, where is a SCGP certified girl, a teacher?
Here I am.
Oh, there you are, right? Neither you spoke a lot about Sakti, right? He can ask the same thing, right?
Because I have heard his speech previously, so he has stated only one line about me, so I just took the same thing.
Oh, really? That's like kind of revenge. All right. What do you think?
I think it was good, and I am happy that I have delivered in a good way. When I started, I was a little bit of nervous, but it went well, and I whatever the points whichever I have written, I have mentioned, everything I have delivered. I have not missed any points, and I just tried to explain all the phases of my life within this 5 minutes of speech. I am satisfied when I am hearing that according to me, I have performed well.
True. Thank you, Pallavi. Maybe I will give my feedback at end. I want others. Deepak, what do you think?
Yeah, she was good. She was very good. And
what do you loved about her speech?
yeah, the way he described herself, like in starting, the starting was so good. And you know, he just mentioned his name and mentioned what, and she explained her name. You know, what does it mean or like that, and she mentioned her hobby. In addition to that, why she likes that and why she likes to do that. So I liked it so much. So all over the speech was so great.
All right. Thank you, Deepak.
Thank you, Deepak.
Thank you, Deepak. Ira, are you there?
Yeah.
What she has to work on?
Work on.
Like what is?
I'm a specialist.
Oh, you are?
Speechless.
Okay, nice.
She's
so
quite
much.
well in. She was very quiet. Starting to end, she was very confident. All things she wanted to tell us was very, very nicely narrated by her. Overall, it was a very, very nice introduction.
Thank you.
Icebreaker speech.
Thank you. Sakti? What
Yes,
Yeah.
what you like? Why? What you like?
everything the way she delivered, she practiced in front of me 2 3 times. But as her mind is very sharp, so she
Right.
remembers everything, right? So she didn't forget a single word, whatever she wrote.
Right.
And a speech, whatever she had introduced, I was just asking her that
Mhm.
you should have told me also like that, right? I would have also made such type of speech. So she devoted her time on making her icebreaker. So that
Mhm.
was good, and she was deliver. I didn't find any mistake. Those
Mhm.
when she was speaking in front of me, she was forgetting few lines, but on the cameras, she did fantastically well. I would say there was no grammatical error because whatever she had prepared, it was all seen before, and she was able to deliver the whatever she had memorized.
Exactly. Thank you, Sakti. I think, I mean, I cannot contradict any.
May I ask one sentence?
Yes, go ahead.
Sakti, she also mentioned you in only one line that I got my life partner in my college. She did
Yes,
not mention me.
earlier she wrote in a speech some different way, but I
Mhm.
told her,
Uh,
I just told that I just mentioned that the best thing happened in my college was. So she copied that from my speech.
so how you impressed her? By your dancing skill or by your cricket skill?
Yeah, that. All right. I think probably Pallavi. I mean, I already told you. I mean, I loved your presentation skills very much, and you have
Hmm.
good charm. You are a charming girl and very pacifying voice when you talk. You are very confident and you are very friendly. That's what I can understand. So that helps to relate with everybody, and you shared with us all your life beautiful memories, I would say. So that is very commendable, and it helps understanding who you are and how nice you are probably. Yeah, I mean, for to area to work on, definitely like try to control a little bit rate of speech. That's all. That I mean, that is not a big deal. But good job, Sakti.
Thank you, Ajay.
Yeah, thanks, Pallavi. Sakti, can tell something about her now, right? She want how you met
She
her.
already told. She already told that she is very caring and all, good at good by heart, and she is friendly because she only started talking with me. I used to get afraid. Never used to talk with any girl, right? So
Acha.
she was very friendly and she was very good friend of mine. And
Mhm.
later on, I know I decided, that uh, she is a very good girl, and that's it happened, and I just uh,
People want to hear more from you. At least Pallavi wants
that's it.
more hear more from you.
Just she was very helpful, uh,
Mhm.
she she was helpful, just giving confidence and all, that you can also talk in front of girls and all, because I used to talk a lot between boys and right. So I
Mhm.
was famous in college also for that, for my whatever skills. I used to dance a lot in parties or play cricket.
Oh,
Everybody, most of the people knew me in college, means whole, whole means in boys hostel, everybody used to know me that, I am a guy from Bihar and all, and I'm very much politically involved, and very much uh, I was debating a lot in college days also. So
right.
that happened, and she was a common friend of ours, and she made me very comfortable, then that helped me to to talk with in front of anyone.
She's not. You are not crying, right, Pallavi? Nahi,
No, no, not at all.
everything good, right? See how kind he is with you.
Yeah,
And
because he wants lunch and dinner. That's why.
as Shakti, you have mentioned about your leadership skills, right? So
Hmm.
you never used to go to training, right, in Goa?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember those 20 days, like beautiful days of my life, at least. A good time right there. All right,
Yes.
Pallavi, now Sakti wants to hear more from you.
Shakti, like Shakti is a very good human being, and he's very kind-hearted. He's so friendly, and he respects everyone. These are the qualities which I really like about him. And he's also caring, and somewhat of a nature is fine. We both are friendly. We both are caring. That's why we can easily connect, because these things are common among us.
That's all. He's a
Yeah.
leader. Yeah. How you
He has these leadership qualities, and whatever the skills which he have mentioned in his speech, he have all those things. And it is true that he was quite famous in the college with because of all of these his abilities. And this was the main thing which I really liked about him, that I already mentioned about the good nature of his. And he is down to earth also, and he doesn't differentiate between any two different time. And the best thing is that he's not at all judgmental. He doesn't judge anyone, like he doesn't judge by a first meeting or after anything also. He doesn't judge anyone. This is a quality which I want to learn from him, that don't be judgmental.
Yeah, it's hard. Like we act based upon our certain beliefs. I mean, if like me, then I won't be interacting with him, right? That's a human nature. That is what I'm working on right now. And I totally go with you. He's one thing. If I have to tell about Sakti, he's very friendly and very kind. That's what he's very genuine. Whenever I talk to him, we don't talk a lot though, but whenever I call him, I mean, I feel like very connecting. He's a very Sakti, now you can cook something for me, right? Yes. All right. I think we are almost at end of this meeting, and we are meeting again tomorrow, right, for book club. So everybody has got their chapters, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You guys are finding it's difficult book or easy to read?
No, it's good.
No, it's fine. It's easy.
It's easy. Like
good.
Any value out of it after reading, or you feel like a lot of superficial stuff, or is it practical? I mean,
no, it is
good.
It's
good, right?
It's not yes.
All right, then tomorrow again, 8 p.m. I think we will see everybody. I know it's getting late in India. So next Saturday, I think I remember Asutosh was telling we will go through routine or habits, what we do. Everybody has to tell their, daily routine, whatever they follow.
Okay.
So again, for that, time is again 5 to 7 minutes. Everybody has to like write what they do from day to, from early morning to evening. So that will be a kind of speech for 5 to 7 minutes. That is on next Saturday. I'm not sure who all would be presenting. I think Sakti, you are going to present. Pallavi, you will present.
Yeah, yes.
You have time. Deepak, can you present?
I mean the daily routine, right?
Yes.
Next Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Others?
I can.
Okay. And Deepak and Hiralal, I'm hoping you also can present. All right. So I think I will let everybody go right now. It's late night in India, I know. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Take care, bye.
Good night.
Bye.